Hello students, today we are going to do sequence of tenses. Now you all know that tenses are verbs that describe when an event or action or condition has occurred. Now there are three types of tenses based on the time, that is past tense, present tense and future tense. Now each of these tenses, each of these four aspects, now which include the continuation of the tenses, so there are in total 12 tenses that are regularly used in English grammar. Now let us know the sequence of tenses. Now students, already I have discussed with you the 12 tenses, that is for past, present and future. Simple past, then past perfect, past continuous, past perfect continuous. So same way for the others also, present also and future. Now we are going to see that how these tenses are being used in the sentences according to the verbs added to it. Now one basic rule we must remember at the time of using tenses with principal and subordinate clause are that the subordinate clauses always follow the tense in the principal clause. Now as a sentence, there is a principal clause and the subordinate clause in it. So subordinate clause, the sentence which needs a help, which has been added with conjunctions or prepositions, they are known as subordinate clause and they always follow with the tense of the principal clause. Now as we will do the rules and the examples, we will come to know. There are exceptions also to this rule, which we will see as we go by. Now the first one is rule 1. A past tense in the principal clause is always followed by a past tense in the subordinate clause. Like, I found out that she was out of town. So over here, I found out. This is also a past tense. That she was out of town. So was has been used over here. So always, now I found out is a principal clause. That is an added to it. So she was out of town. So this is what a subordinate clause. So always remember the past tense in the subordinate clause is also used with the principal clause. But then there is also one exception to it. As when we are using universal truth in the tense, like the teacher taught the children that honesty is the best policy. Over here the children were taught by that. So now were taught. This is what a past tense. But when we are talking about the universal truth, so honesty is the best policy. We are using present tense over here. Is has been used. Then another exception to this rule is when the word than is used in the sentence to introduce subordinate clause. In this case we use any tense. So उसके साथ कोई भी tense use हो सकता है subordinate clause के साथ, जिससे हमें उसका tense कहाँ पर use हो रहा है principal clause में वो देखना होता है. Then we come to rule 2. Rule 2. Now if the tense used with the principal clause is in the present or future tense, अगर principal clause में present या future tense use हो रहा है, the tense of the subordinate clause can be in any tense based on what needs to be conveyed. अब वो depend करता है कि वो principal clause में कौन सा tense है, which tense we are using over there. So we are going to add according to that. For example, she is saying that she is all right. So she is saying that. So is लगा है, so she is all right. She says she is fine. So she says also is the present tense. She is fine is also the subordinate present tense. Then comes the rule 3. When we use the principal clause in the future tense यूज हो रहा है तो we do not use subordinating clause in the future tense. Future tense subordinating clause में future tense नहीं use होता है. We use it with when, until, before, after, etc. Example, I will call you when dinner is ready. So over here, see, when is used, and I will call. I will call is a future tense, and when dinner is ready, that comes to your present tense. So you have to see according the sentence. I shall wait until you return. So until is been used. So these tenses we see the principal clause. If it is in the future tense, फिर हम उसको ये नहीं देखते हैं. We will the subordinating clause future में नहीं होएगा. Then comes a rule 4. When the subordinating clause is introduced with the conjunction that we do the following. When that is used, we use may in the subordinate clause when the principal clause is in the present tense, and we use might in the subordinate clause when the principal clause is in the past tense. Now remember, present tense में use हो रहा है तो may होएगा, and past tense होएगा तो might. Example, we eat that we may live. may आया. She tried to live so that he might have a chance at life. Like that. Then comes the rule 5. When some phrases such as if only, wish that, what if, it is a time are used, the clauses that follow it are always in the past tense. I wish that I could do well. I wish that I studied nicely. Like that. I wish I could eat another ice cream. So now over here, his health dash since he left the city. What it will be over here? His health improved since he left the city, or has improved? We will use has improved. So with this, I hope so you may be understood how we use the sequence of tenses, and the rest, the discussion we will do in a Zoom class. Thank you.